In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get verified on X, formerly Twitter, step by step. If you've been wondering how the blue check works, what requirements you need to meet, and how to complete the verification process without getting lost, this guide will walk you through everything in a simple way. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Now, first things first, before you even try to get verified, you need to make sure your account meets X's basic eligibility requirements. The first thing is a complete profile. That means your account should have a display name and a profile photo. X wants to see that your account looks real and active, not empty or unfinished. The second requirement is active use. Your account needs to have been posting, replying, or engaging within the past 30 days. So if your account has been sitting unused for a long time, it may not qualify yet. The third thing is a confirmed phone number. Make sure your account has an active confirmed phone number attached, because that helps with account security and can be part of the verification process. Once your account is ready, the next step is to go to x.com in your web browser. Log into the account that you want to verify. This part is important because you need to be signed into the exact account you want the blue check for. After you're logged in, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. From there, click on Premium or Verified, depending on what your version of X shows. X has changed the layout a few times, so the wording may be slightly different, but the verification option should be easy to find in that left-hand menu. After you open the Premium section, you'll need to choose your plan. X usually lets you select whether you're verifying as an individual or as an organization. Pick the one that matches your account type. If you're a personal creator, influencer, freelancer, or public figure, you'll usually choose individual. If you're representing a business, brand, or team, then organization is the better option. Next, you'll see billing choices. In most cases, X offers a monthly plan and an annual plan. If you want the better value, the annual subscription usually gives you a discount compared to paying every month. Once you've chosen the plan that works best for you, click the subscribe button. Then follow the payment prompts and enter your billing details to complete the purchase through X's payment processor. Now, after your subscription becomes active, X may ask you to complete identity verification. This is a very important part of the process because it helps X reduce impersonation and confirm that the account is tied to a real person or organization. If you get prompted, don't worry, that's normal. The system may ask you to verify using a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and in some cases, it may also ask for a quick selfie. If that happens, follow the instructions carefully and submit the documents exactly as requested. Make sure your ID is clear, readable, and valid. Also, use a well-lit selfie if the system asks for one, because blurry or low-quality images can delay the review. After you submit everything, you'll need to wait for the automated review process to finish. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, depending on the account and the current review queue. Once X finishes reviewing your premium subscription and your identity verification, the blue check mark should appear next to your display name. That means your account has been verified. At that point, you can go back to your profile and confirm that the badge is showing correctly. So to quickly recap, you need a complete and active profile, a confirmed phone number, then you go to x.com, open Premium or Verified, choose your plan, subscribe, complete identity verification if prompted, and wait for the badge to appear. It's a pretty straightforward process once you know where everything is. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.